Hey, thanks for joining me again on Living for Great Health. I just wanted to go over and show you how I cook my chicken. I cook about 3 breasts of chicken every 3 days or so, and I put it in a bowl and just keep it in the refrigerator, and it's great for my pastas, my salads, my rice bowls, whatever I want to use it for. Other than cooking regular breast to go with something else, I cook it, chop it up, and let me show you what I do. I use this little grill here, which is really easy to use. Rather than doing it on the stove, I just use this grill here, warm it up, and it cooks the chicken breast probably in about 5 to 7 minutes. It's all done, easy to do, not a lot of cleanup. So let me show you just what I do here. I just put the chicken breast on, and actually this grill here has a sensor in it. It actually tells you when your chicken's done. So all you do, little light over here, put it on there, it counts down, changes colors, and lets you know when the chicken's done. Take it out, cut it up, put it in the refrigerator. So we're cooking our chicken here, and I know I mentioned that this cooker here, this grill, has a little sensor on it that tells you when the meat's done. But for me, I like to make sure my meat's at the right temperature and it's done well, especially when you're talking about poultry or any fish, whether it's fish or poultry or beef or whatever it is. You want to make sure it's the right temperature. So I've got myself a great little instant meat thermometer, which I use for this. I'll just go in and check and see how close we are to being done for my poultry. I want it to be 165. We're almost there. So we'll keep cooking a little bit, but I would suggest if you're going to cook poultry or any meat at all, you want to make sure it's at the right temperature. Okay, I'm all done chopping up my chicken now. I'm going to put it in the bowl and stick it in the refrigerator, and then we can use it for whatever we want to use it for. Our salads, our pasta, rice bowls, whatever you can think of. It'll be there and ready to go. Not much time to cook, and it's really quick for making dishes for your lunch, for your dinner. It doesn't take any time at all. Thanks so much for visiting my channel, Living for Great Health. If you would, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell so if you want to see additional videos coming out, I really appreciate it.